YouTube has become a major source of information on a wide range of topics. Go to YouTube if you enjoy dancing. If you're a music fan, check out YouTube. To watch videos of cute animals, visit YouTube. That website has everything you could ever want. What you may not realize is that you can make money on YouTube. In this video, I will walk you through a comprehensive and step-by-step process that will show you how to make money on YouTube. If you watch the entire video and follow it step by step, you'll find that this procedure is actually quite simple. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. Finding photos and short videos to use as a starting point for the editing of our original video comes first. Pexels.com is the name of the website that I want you to visit. Pexels is a website that offers various forms of media for download online. It maintains a library that currently holds more than 3.2 million high-resolution photos and videos and adds approximately 200,000 new files every month. Users contribute to the content, which is then manually screened before being displayed. The downloading of the media and using the website are both completely copyright-free. Now, for a higher possibility of earning money through videos, what topic I can recommend to you is relaxing vibe videos. To be more specific, we will focus on rain videos because there are a lot of people who feel calmed and relaxed when it rains. Now type in keyword rain in the Pexels search bar. After hitting enter, as you can see, there are over 15,000 photos and over 1,000 videos that are available for download. And that's a lot. Now I want you to click on the videos tab right here, and then I want you to choose a couple of videos that you like. Click on it just like this, and then click on the free download button located on the upper right corner of the video. After that, it will automatically download the video on your computer. You're able to utilize other coming videos besides videos of rain. For example, you may utilize videos of outdoors, of fires, or even of beaches. Simply enter the keyword into Pexels search bar to locate the videos or photos of your choosing. You can also go to pixabay.com, which is another website to download images and videos that are free. Now that we have a couple of videos downloaded, we will proceed to the second step, and that is looking for free music that we could use in our video. I want you to type in your browser search bar freesound.org and hit enter. Freesound is a not-for-profit organization that operates as a collaborative library of sounds that are licensed under Creative Commons. As of 2019, the website has more than 500,000 different sounds and effects, and it has 8 million registered users. Sounds which are posted to the website by its users encompass a wide range of topics and can be anything from synthesized sounds to recorded sounds from the outdoors. Here you can download free audio anytime and anywhere, be it on your computer or your phone. We are able to produce a fresh, new one-of-a-kind video that has never appeared anywhere on the internet by using the sounds from the website. Therefore, all that is required of you is to visit this page. To sign up, you'll need to click the register button at the very top of the page and simply enter your username, your email address, and your password into the appropriate fields. To accept the website's terms and conditions, click the tiny box and then click the tiny box again to verify that you are a human. After that, select the button that says Create Account. And then you need to activate your account by checking the inbox of the email address associated with it. Activate it and you're done. Once you've logged in, all you need to do is type in the search bar to find anything that complements the video you downloaded, such as music that sounds like rain, music that's peaceful or calming, or music that sounds like something else entirely. You will be presented with a lot of results, but all you have to do is start going through some of the sounds. You can listen to a sample of the sound before it is applied to your video by clicking the play button in this window. This will allow you to determine whether or not the sound is suitable for the video you're working on. If you come across something that captivates your interest, go ahead and click the name of the sound, and after you do so, you will be brought to this page. Once you're here, click the download button that is located right here. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts
and any questions about the video in the comment section down below.
Once you get the audio that you like, let's move on to step 3. I want you to go to canva.com, and Canva is an online graphic design tool that is completely free to use. Utilize it for the creation of visuals, for social media presentations, posters, documents, and other types of visual information. Now all you have to do is create an account here and just click on the sign up button located on the upper right side of the page. Here you have the option to register using your Google account or your Facebook account for an easier process. You can also opt to register using your very own email. After you have logged into the website, all you need to do is click on the tab labeled video that is located directly above. Afterwards, you will arrive at this part. The first option is a video template that has a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. This is the very item that we will be using. If you click on this one right here, it will then bring up the video editor, which will allow you to begin producing your own personalized video right away. So the first thing that you have to do is to upload the videos and download from Pexels, and also to upload the audio download from Freesound. Simply put the files in this box on the left by dragging and dropping them here. You'll notice that there is a toolbar just to the side of it. This is going to be your toolbar, and from here you can begin adding various elements to your videos, images or audios. You can also begin adding tags. You can begin utilizing it right away within this video editor to start putting together a brand new customized video. It is one of the simplest things that can be done. Simply click on your video when it has been uploaded and then drag and drop it on the page. The very first thing that you need to do is expand your video to every corner so that it fills the entire page of the video. After that, all you need to do is click on the sound at the very top of the page and fully mute the sound of the video. Again, we are in the process of producing a brand new one-of-a-kind video that will feature our very own music as well as our very own footage. After you have uploaded a video, the next thing that you need to do is click on audio inside your toolbar. After that, simply drag and drop your audio into the video, and you will notice that it is added at the very bottom of the video. Now, one of the things that I really enjoy about Canva is that it automatically adjusts the length of your audio to match the length of your video. After you have added your audio, the next step that you need to take is to click right here where it says add page in order to add additional videos from your downloads. To start the process of making the video even longer, all you need to do is keep adding new pages to it. Also, don't forget that whenever you add a new video clip, you need to make sure that the sound of the video is deleted. This will ensure that the only audio that is actually playing within the video is the audio that you have downloaded. And once you click on play on your video, the audio and video are synced together. So what you will do is make the video about 3 minutes long. Once the video is 3 minutes long, download your video by clicking the share button at the top, and then you're going to click on this download button right here, and afterwards you're going to upload your 3-minute video onto Canva and replicate the 3-minute video so that your final video will be a 6-minute video or a 9-minute video. Now, I would recommend you create a video that's going to be about 30 minutes long. You want your video to be long so that it gets more watch time and it gets more views, and you can start making more money from it. All we need to know now is how to make money from your final video. Make sure your video's title is relevant to what people are searching for in order to receive more views. For your title, you'll want to search for keywords people are searching for and then use that keyword. As a result, when someone runs a keyword search, your video will appear in the results. So all you have to do is go to Ubersuggest, type neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest in your web browser search bar and hit enter. Ubersuggest is a free Chrome extension and a powerful search engine optimization tool that shows how many times keywords are searched for each month, how much cost per click, and how much competition there is for them. When you type a specific keyword query into Google, YouTube, Amazon, and another search engine, Ubersuggest will give you keyword ideas that are related to the keyword query for your content marketing strategy and production. Make an account once you get to the website, and you can try it for free for 7 days, or you can pay for a subscription. When you're done, click where it says keywords, then click keyword overview. Once you've done that, type keyword that fits your video into the search bar. So since my video was about relaxing rain, I will type in relaxing rain as the keyword. Then it shows me how many times this keyword was searched for each month. So 1,300 people are looking for this keyword on Google or YouTube right now. So it's not a bad starting point, but if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see more keyword ideas that get a lot of more searches. So look at this. It shows me that people search for relaxing raindrop sounds 2,900 times a month. Relaxing rain sounds are searched for 2,900 times. And this gives me more keywords I can try out in my videos to get more views and, of course, make more money from them. So now pick a keyword that you want as an example, and I will go with this keyword. As we all know, when videos get a lot of views, it can generate cash. Of course, the amount will depend on the number of views you have for your video. So for the final step, upload your video on youtube.com. Go to YouTube and click this camera-like button right here, and then click the upload video button. Upload your final video here on YouTube, and afterwards you will be required to put in a title. The title must be catchy that will really make people want to click on your video. Next, you will also be asked to put in your video description and a thumbnail. Now, we'll give you a bonus technique so that you will not have a hard time anymore. This method is completely hassle-free. I want you to visit the website videomarketingblaster.com. Using this tool can help you improve your video's title, description, and tags so that you may begin gaining views on your videos page on YouTube. However, to use this website, you must pay their subscription fee. It's not really expensive though. Once you're able to pay, you will be in your account. And now just click the generate detail button, and then you will be asked to put in keywords related to your video, and then the website will automatically generate a brand new title and a custom description that's going to have different keywords in it, so YouTube knows exactly what your video is about. Afterwards, once you are satisfied, you can just copy these words and paste it on a YouTube video. The second tool that I will introduce to you is called thumbnailblaster.com. This is where you will be creating thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Just create an account and pay for its subscription fee, and then you may start making your very own thumbnails. They have a lot of templates that you can use and customize according to your preference. It is completely hassle-free. Once you're done with your thumbnail, upload it onto your YouTube video and finalize the remaining things so that you can now publish your video on YouTube. In the long run, this is a fantastic method to create money for yourself. Because once you have published a video on YouTube, it will remain there forever, and it will literally continue to generate you money as more people watch it over time. You can start making significantly more money than anyone else very quickly.
And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions, and see you in the next video.